Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful Saturday morning. Just woken up and the sun is already up. It's looking so lovely outside, and I feel like doing work that I normally don't do. On Saturday is always my rest day, and today the weather is looking so good, so bright, and it gives me the moods to do something out of the ordinary. So first things first, on Saturdays, I normally take it easy because I've been busy throughout the week with work issues and I don't have a help. And so Saturdays are just, if I don't call someone to help me in cleaning, I just do activities that are not very draining because I only have one day to rest. Sundays, I spend most of my days in church, most of the day in the church. So, but this day I was feeling so energized to work. So I went out and took some lemongrass. I was feeling like having a black tea with lemongrass. It tastes neat. So this is what I was having for breakfast with some leftover beans. After a while, my tea was ready. So if you boil this lemongrass, it changes colors into green, and the more you boil it, the better results you'll get. We normally skip breakfast, especially during weekdays, but you don't know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. When you have good breakfast, you'll be energized to do your work throughout the day, but when you miss breakfast, you'll have hunger pangs and low energy. So, for the kind of work that I was intending to do today, I needed to have breakfast, good breakfast, not just this black tea and bread. I normally don't like bread, so I'd rather take breakfast with some leftovers than have it with bread. So first things first, I decided to check on my kitchen garden. Things are looking up and great. See, the eggplant is already fruiting. See, it's fruiting already. Very soon we'll be eating our eggplants. Eggplants are fruiting. Everyone has a fruit. So, another one here. Wow. And we have more flowers, meaning more fruits. These ones will be too much. I'll not even be able to eat alone. I'm ready to share. Look. Wow. So this one is also fruiting. Wow. It's so nice. That small rain, look at what it has done to our vegetables. The kales are looking a bit dry, but we have something to harvest. A lot. Tomatoes are also coming up here so well. Yeah. but they're a bit tiny, not like the last time. But I know where I went wrong. Tomatoes doesn't require a lot of water. So the thing that I did, I planted it in the midst of the spinach, and spinach needs watering, a lot and lots of watering. And now, when I was like watering the spinach, I think it was affecting the tomatoes, because at some point I saw it like it was burning. The leaves were burning, and now it has fruited very tiny, tiny, very very tiny tomatoes. Anyway, still good. So our mango season is finally over. Everything that has a beginning must come to an end. We've enjoyed these mangoes and you have seen them in my videos, but now the tree was almost empty, so I decided to just rake the fallen rotten mangoes, because the other season I left them there and they really germinated, and I had so many little mangoes everywhere, and it was so painful for me to get rid of them because I couldn't just let them grow over there. They wouldn't make it. So this time around I decided just to rake them and gather them and then just discard them, because anyway, where will I take all those seedlings? So that is what I decided to do. And then there are some areas that we never actually take good care of, like this path. This is the path I normally use when going to the garden, and there's a tree over there that really shades. It shades throughout. So I rarely clean this area, but today, because I was in the mood, this is what I decided to do. I just clean it and rake it. The leaves had stayed there for quite some time, and they were stuck on the ground. So I decided just to rake and put everything in order. There are things that we normally don't show in camera, but this day it was raw and uncut. These ones, I think they need trimming. We just trimmed them like I think in January, sometimes in the beginning of January. So they have really outgrown this place and they need trimming. Again, I've noticed that my bananas, I just found a banana here, but now they're not very big. You see, they are very small. So somebody was telling me that I need to remove some. You see, it has really, there are so many here, and some are still coming up, like this one. So I need to like remove all these things that are here. I was waiting for them to rot so that they can act as a manure, but it's taking a while. But I won't remove them. I'll just leave them here so that we can remove these small ones and add some organic manure, because now the bananas are now tiny. So you can also see this ones over there. They are not like big the way they used to be. There's another one over there. Over there, you can see it. And still there's another one somewhere here, over there. And also the outside are a bit big. To remove some, or I do rotation because these ones have been here for a while. But doing rotation is like starting afresh. It is not easy. I'll see what happens. I'm not leaving the garden empty-handed. I'm leaving it with banana. Later on in the evening, I had sun-dried some maize with the intention of going to the mill, but I was overtaken with events, so this is carried forward to the next time. Then it was time for us to make dinner, and today we are having food for dinner. I always tell you that I don't normally use too much oil. Oil is very expensive. So as long as my little oil in the pan is hot enough, I'm ready to go, and my fish should come out well, very, very well. So thank you guys for watching up to this time. Kindly like, subscribe, leave a comment so that YouTube can recommend our videos to our wider audience. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and bye. See you next time.